guys, Delvina here. Today we are restoring this beautiful blue gown back to wearable state. This poor gown went through dress Hades and back, and she is here to tell her story. Not only is the beading falling off, there are so many stains along the skirting portion of the dress. I am not quite sure what happened, but she is pretty spotted. But we'll go ahead and get that taken care of. Let's go ahead and start with the beading on the straps. It's already starting to come apart. You know, the beading does go all the way down this strap slider. And what that's going to do is if you were going to adjust to make it tighter, this is going to slide right all over on top of that beading, causing stress, and it's going to end up doing something like this, where once you snag out the bead, all you're going to have is loose threads that are going to keep pulling up. The beading is only secured by one single running thread. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this all the way up to the top part of the shoulder. This will allow that slider to go up and down to make adjustments as needed. And being that it's going to sit on top of the shoulder, it's just going to sit where the rest of the beading and kind of make it look like a good stopping point. I have all the threads pulled in almost to the stopping point. I'm just being extra careful not to cut the threads, as I want to make sure that I have an extra long tail to tie off to make sure that the rest of the beads won't slide down that running stitch. Just double checking to make sure that both straps match, and I think they turned out just fine, and we got plenty of room for that slider to make adjustments. We are off to the skirting portion. Like I said earlier, this was pretty spotted. I am just going in. We're gonna go ahead and just hit this up with a pre-stain spray treatment, but I am going to also use it with Dawn dish soap, as I'm just going to mix the two together to go ahead and start with pre-treating all these spots. I am just using a regular old fabric, I don't know, one of my fabric toothbrushes, just specifically for, projects. So I'm just going in, making sure everything is scrubbed down, making sure that I got a good coating, and make sure that I am just kind of lightly scrubbing in those spots, and just going ahead and prepping for soaking. I did let this soak for about 30 minutes, hand washed, hung to dry, and she is good as new. I thank you for watching, and until then, take care.